Today we're going to take a look at numismatic digital microscopes, which I think are just so essential for any hobbyist today for a number of reasons. This particular one is the Tomlov DM201, which I do recommend because it has a 10-inch stand, which will allow you to take good photos of Morgan dollars, whereas the smaller stand does not. And there's no need to get the 10-inch screen here because it comes with an HDMI cord, and you can then go to your computer, transfer the image there, save it in Adobe Photoshop, and more. Setting it up is somewhat confusing because it takes 3 wires to do so. We're going to do that just in a second. But today I am showing why this is important, as I hope to return this coin that I got from eBay. It's got great color, all that is true, but I want to slab it with PCGS, and it has a pin scratch on the breast on the reverse, which you can't see now, and which is why this is so important. Let me show you how to set up the wires. This is the USB wire, and I am hooking it to my computer over here. Over here is the HDMI cord, and I'm hooking it down here. This white is the power button, and I'm also going to power it via my computer. You notice that I have my LED lights on the slab. This is a little difficult to focus. This is the focusing. It's not as smooth. It's not electronic. You got to use it by hand. But when you focus it with this long stand, you can get an excellent camera shot of the coin, and you still can't, a coin as large as a Morgan dollar, and you still can't see the pin scratch very well at this point. I want to show you the camera right now and how it's hooked up to Microsoft camera app. At first, I didn't know why the problem existed, that I couldn't get it set up. You just have to reverse the field. And when you reverse the field, there it is on your computer. So what I'm going to do now in this next segment is I'm going to lower this down, because we want to get a really good view of the pin scratch. You notice as I'm lowering it down, it goes out of focus. But I'm going to bring it down very close. And then what I'm going to do now is I need both hands to focus it, one to hold the screen and the other to focus. I'll be right back. Okay, you'll notice how low I have positioned the camera, the lens here, right over where the pin scratch is. Toning has obscured the pin scratch, but PCGS experts will catch it in a minute. There's how it looks on the Tomlov screen, and over here, this is how it looks on my computer screen. So I'm going to go ahead and take a picture of this now. Okay, we have a good picture of the pin scratch. I'm going to go to see all photos now. You'll notice how wonderful the camera takes pictures of Morgans getting in their luster. But I'm going to go to this more recent, and you can see this pin scratch is really pronounced. I'm going to go ahead and right click, and then I want you to open this with my Adobe Photoshop to make sure I get the best possible image. So I'm going to do that right now, and then we'll continue. Okay, we are in Photoshop now. I'm going to go to Image, under Adjustments right here, and I'm going to go ahead and just do Auto, because I think I got a really good picture of this anyway. And as it's doing that right now, it comes in a little bit clearer. So I'm going to go ahead and click OK. Then I'm going to go to the file here, and I'm going to save this as Pin Scratch. And then I'm going to go to my coin update folder, which is right there. And I'm going to save it in my folder. I'm going to go ahead and use the maximum on this because I really want the seller to see this pin scratch. 1 second. Okay, now with the same computer, of course, I'm on the eBay page. This particular seller accepts returns within 14 days. I didn't like the coin I put. I said the coin has a pin scratch on the reverse and so won't slab at PCGS. And now, to prove my point, I'm going to go ahead and click on the photos. I'm at coin update. I got a lot of coins here, so I want to look at the date modified. There's pin scratch, so I'm going to hit that there, and then I'm going to go ahead and hit open, and there it is. And then I'm going to hit confirm return. And I've effectively made my case.